I am very grateful to you and your organization once again for inviting me for such a esteemed forum. It's an honor for me today, and I would like to thank you and your UPF to be continued bridge to be continued bridge building. Uh, Regarding interfaith harmony, I have also requested you before also when we used to come for the conferences, but because of this pandemic situation we could not personally meet, but we are always in touch on social media, on WhatsApp and in conferences. We were planning to host interfaith harmony conference on behalf of UPF or with collaboration of UPF in Pakistan also, which was much more need of the hour in Pakistan. We will be looking forward that if UPF in their coming year should put this in their uh, diary or in their functions, that the Interfaith Harmony Conference should be hosted by Pakistan also. We are very few members in Pakistan of UPF, but we have got a lot of connection here that we can organize Interfaith Harmony Conference here in Pakistan. I've written a bit for this. I would want to read for you. The pandemic has stopped the world in its track. Healthcare systems have been pushed to breaking point. Global markets face a downward spiral, and inequalities have deepened as societies most vulnerable are hit and hardest. Spiritual solace is an obvious hallmark of religion, and doubtless something that is actually needed amid this year fear and previous sense of mortality. However, experts argue that faith-based organization can go beyond matters of the spirit to provide target assistance that bridge the gap between the divine, more earthly, humanitarian concerns. Religious leaders and policymakers from across the globe convenes at the G20 Interfaith Forum to explore how to support and mobilize faith communities during this protected period of crisis. At the global platform, they discuss the biggest problems that face humanity, proposing solutions and looking for ways to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals through collective action. For several years, KICIID has been closely involved with the Interfaith Forum. Both share a similar mission, promotion, dialogue, and collaboration between religious leaders and policymakers on most pressing development issue. Leadership not about Leadership is not about knowing everything. It's about knowing who to connect to. Faith leaders are trusted agents embedded in the community and the local establishment. I always see that as an opportunity to mobilize faith leaders where on humanitarian grounds or other efforts to build relationship between communities. Inclusion of marginalized is at the heart of the world religious tradition. As the pandemic intensifies inequality, religious leaders are strongly positioned to champion human rights and dignity throughout the global emergency. As Shishai said, all human beings are limbs of same body. God created them from the same essence. If one part of the body suffers pain, then the whole body is affected. If are indifferent to this pain, you cannot be called a human being, unquote. Thank you very much for your time and for your patience for listening me. And I hope and I pray for the betterment and prosperous of UPF colleagues and UPF Foundation.